This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Nissan Leaf in neutral. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, with the vehicle powered on, locate the shift lever. You will need to press the button on the side of the lever and move it to the end position. This action engages neutral, allowing the vehicle to be moved manually. Remember to always apply the parking brake when leaving the vehicle in neutral on an incline. Knowing when to use neutral is crucial for safety and vehicle maintenance. It's primarily for situations like moving the car a short distance without power, such as in a car wash, or for very brief towing. However, it's important to never leave your Nissan Leaf in neutral for extended periods, especially on public roads. Always engage the parking brake immediately after selecting neutral if you're not actively moving the vehicle, particularly on any kind of incline. Sometimes, putting your Nissan Leaf into neutral might not go as smoothly as expected. If you encounter difficulty, first confirm the vehicle is fully powered on and your foot is firmly on the brake. Look for any warning lights on your dashboard that might indicate an issue. If the problem persists, it's always best to refer to your Nissan Leaf's owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps or contact a certified Nissan service center for assistance. Remember, while neutral is useful, it's not for long-distance towing, as this can damage the electric motor. Always ensure the vehicle is properly secured with the parking brake once you've shifted into neutral, especially if you're stepping away. For more insights into managing your finances and building wealth, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Your financial journey can start today with the right knowledge and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.